laptops get all the attention. But in 2026, desktop computers are delivering more power, more value, and more longevity than ever before. Whether you're building a home office, a creative workstation, or a gaming setup, picking the right desktop is one of the best tech investments you can make. I tested 5 of the best so you can stop guessing and start upgrading. Let's get into it. The Apple 2024 Mac Mini with M4 is arguably the most impressive desktop computer available at its price point in 2026, and the size to performance ratio is genuinely staggering. Apple's M4 chip delivers CPU and GPU performance that embarrasses comparably priced Windows desktops, while sipping power at a fraction of the wattage. The Mac Mini's footprint is smaller than most hardcover books, yet it handles 4K and 8K video editing, music production, software development, and AI workloads without a single hesitation. The unified memory architecture means 16 gigabytes of RAM performs closer to 32 gigabytes in traditional systems, a meaningful real-world advantage for multitasking and memory-intensive workflows. Connectivity is excellent for the form factor. 3 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, an SD card slot, and a headphone jack with high impedance support. The Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF is the enterprise workhorse that punches well above its price. And for home offices, small businesses, and anyone who needs a dependable, upgradable Windows desktop without paying a premium, it's one of the smartest buys on this list. The small form factor chassis keeps the footprint compact while retaining full desktop expandability. You can add RAM, swap storage, and upgrade components without the restrictions you'd face in an all-in-one or mini PC. The Intel Core processor delivers confident performance for productivity, web browsing, video calls, document work, and light multimedia tasks without breaking a sweat. Dell's commercial-grade build quality means this machine is engineered for years of reliable daily use. Optiplex units are legendary in business environments for their longevity and repairability. The CyberPower PC Gamer Master is the dedicated gaming desktop for players who want serious performance out of the box without the hassle of building their own PC from scratch. CyberPower PC configures each Gamer Master with a capable AMD or Intel processor paired with a dedicated NVIDIA or AMD GPU, giving you a complete, tested, warranty-backed gaming machine ready to run the latest titles at high settings from day one. The mid-tower chassis offers excellent airflow, room for future component upgrades, and the RGB lighting aesthetic that gaming setups demand. Storage is typically a fast NVMe SSD for rapid game load times, and the included RAM is configured for gaming performance out of the box. The benefit of buying a pre-built like the Gamer Master over building your own is the time saved, the tested stability, and the single warranty covering the entire system. CyberPower PC backs their builds with US-based support, a genuine differentiator in the pre-built gaming PC market. For gamers who want to plug in, power up, and play without weeks of research and assembly, the Gamer Master delivers a complete, capable gaming desktop that competes favorably with same-price custom builds. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is the full tower productivity powerhouse for anyone who needs genuine muscle for demanding workloads in a Windows environment. This is a traditional desktop tower built for people who mean business. Content creators, data analysts, multi-monitor power users, and anyone running resource-intensive software that smaller form factor machines simply struggle with under sustained load. The ECT1250 ships with a capable Intel Core processor, generous RAM, and fast SSD storage that handles large file operations, video exports, and parallel workloads with authority. The full tower chassis provides ample airflow for thermal management under heavy use and generous internal space for future upgrades. Adding a discrete GPU, expanding storage, or increasing RAM are all straightforward operations. Dell's reliability engineering and extensive support ecosystem make this a safe, long-term investment for home offices and small businesses alike. Closing out the list with the Apple 2024 iMac. And this is the most beautiful, most complete all-in-one desktop experience available in 2026. The M4-powered iMac combines Apple's most capable consumer chip with a stunning 24-inch 4.5K Retina display that makes every other monitor look ordinary the moment you sit in front of it. Color accuracy, brightness, and sharpness are all at a level that professional photographers, video editors, and designers rely on daily without ever second-guessing the display. The M4 chip handles creative workloads, video editing, photo processing, 3D rendering, music production, with remarkable speed and efficiency, completing tasks in seconds that older machines labored over for minutes. The iMac's all-in-one design eliminates cable clutter entirely. The MagSafe power cable is the only wire you truly need. The included Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, Magic Mouse, and the excellent 12-megapixel center stage webcam make this a genuinely premium, out-of-the-box experience. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because desktop deals move fast. If this helped you find the right machine, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.